And it begins here in the United States. This clinical trial here for the Ebola vaccine that will be testing this vaccine itself on humans. And it's already happening. Started Monday in a Maryland laboratory. This is a Canadian-made vaccine, but yet a small Iowa-based company called New Link Genetics holds a license for this vaccine, and I guess the results from these trials are expected in December. So there's a timeline. They're saying that this vaccine will be tested on healthy individuals to see how well it works, whether there are side effects, the proper dosage, all of this. They said, and I want you to remember this, same Canadian Health Administration removed all that data on how the mode of transmission was from primates to humans and airborne, aerosol, all that. Okay, now they're stating that the vaccine will be tested on healthy individuals and that the studies in primates have shown that this vaccine works both to prevent infection and when given before the exposure, it basically works wonders. So basically, if you take this before you get exposed, your chances are very slim, they're saying, of ever getting it. And to increase survival chances, that if you take this quickly after exposure, it can kill it and stop it too. That's what they're stating. So now you have a vaccine that they're testing now on humans here in the United States, and by mid-December, they're going to have probably all the results, and they're going to say, all right, we're ready to go. That's a short time. But if you're in a crisis situation come mid-December, which they will be in Africa, which because they are now, then they're going to need something. But they're stating that they're wanting to use this for the American population. Part of our stockpile to send to these PODs. That way, when you go to your high school, if something breaks loose, somebody's going to be there to hand out these vaccines. And that vaccine's got to be one that they get approved. And so far, it looks like this one is the one they're working on. So, just wanted it to be known. You know, we all know they're going to continue to use the propaganda. You have to use your smarts here. And it just seems obvious that, you know, they're setting the stage here. Right up in front of everyone. Setting up these PODs. They got this vaccine in order, and that's the end game, is that vaccine. I can't say it enough. That is what you want to stay away from. Whether there's any more cases that pop up here in the United States, whether they're real, whether they're fake, I don't care. This vaccine is the end game. Period. Okay, so you guys can sit here and debate all you want and waste your time arguing back and forth of how real it is, if this person's dead, yada, yada, yada. It's the end game you need to be worrying about. Okay? And it's that vaccine. And it looks like they're preparing it right now as we speak, testing it on healthy human beings. So they seem to think it works well on these primates. They think it's going to work well on humans. It's begun. As soon as I hear anything on these results, I'll keep you guys posted. But like I said, that's a good month and a half away. A lot of things can happen between now and then. I'll leave a link down here in the description box with more information. It's got some more links inside of this that you can go to get some background information on this company that is pushing this vaccine. This has been DAHBOO7. Peace.